Hi guys, in this video, you're going to learn how to earn $5 per message you send, and each and every task is only going to take you 5 minutes or less, right? So before we dive right into our content, if this is your first time came across my channel, my name is Zaidi Mustafa. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of content and strategy on how to make money online. And if you want more video just like this, consider subscribe and hit the bell notification as well, so that way you're not gonna miss any content I upload on my channel. So without further ado, let's jump straight into our content. So the website that I'm going to share with you here is called Streetbees. This is how we're going to make $5 per message you send. So how everything's worked. So as you can see here, this website has been working with L'Oreal, Pepsi and other big company, right? So this is legitimate website that you can rely on how to make money. So how it's work is only require 3 simple steps. First, pick on the task and answer question and then get paid. Okay, so there are 3 different tasks that you can do. Number 1 is take a 1-minute video while you're making tea. This is actually going to pay you the highest. You're going to get like €10, which is equal somewhere $11 or $12 in USD. So this one is $5. This is what I'm talking about, and this is actually what I'm currently doing. Say what you think of your mobile network. They're going to sending you several question and you're going to complete the survey, and then you're going to get paid. And another one is this, the least payment, which is 45 yen, I think equal to 50 cents in USD. Take a photo at your local supermarket, and you can use both. If you use Android or Apple Store, you can download it from the Apple Store for Apple user, and Android for Android user, right? This is the apps on Android. As you can see here, the rating is really good. It has like 29,000 review. People has been working with this, and 4 star out of 5. As same goes with Apple Store, which is 4.5 rating, right? So now I'm going to share with you an example. This is the test that I've been gone through. So as you can see here, I've been gone through a test for voting, right? So I've been asked how important voting, in my opinion, how important voting system in the country. So for me, it is really important. So this is the sample. This is the exact same method that you're going to get when you sign up with Streetbees, right? But the question might be vary, so depending on your location where you are in right now. So I just want to brief you out how actually you're going to get paid like $5, right? For your information, Streetbees is actually provide all this data for big company, all right? So a lot of big company need this type of data, right? They wanted to know what type of tea that most people use, what type of brand, sport brand that most people use, and what type of furniture that people use. So all this data is really valuable to them in order to enhance their product or services. So before this, there is a company, a service company that charge up to 500,000 in order to provide all this data to the company, right? The company who need it. So that is actually a lot of money. So that is why Streetbees came out with this idea, which is, I think this is a really brilliant idea, because they don't have to sending out their stuff to all different countries to gather gather all this data, but instead you just do it online, all right? So the result is more reliable, and the result is more accurate, and it's actually more live, and it's actually live result that you can get. That's actually live result that they can get. So while you're watching this survey, I just want to brief you out how you're going to get paid like $5 only by sending out a message, right? And it's only going to take you like 4 to 5 minutes, and it's really easy to do. So for your information, all this data is really valuable for big company, right? So some big company really need this data, like what type of tea brand that most people use, what type of sport brands that most people use, because they need this data in order to enhance their services or their product, right? So before this, there is a company can provide all this data, but they're going to charge up to 500,000 to get all this data, because they need to send out their stuff to all these different countries. But so it's going to require a lot of money. So that is where Streetbees came out with this idea. I think this is a really brilliant idea, where they don't have to send out their stuff physically, but instead they just get all this information online. So that is how they provide you this opportunity, right? You as a freelancer can earn some supplemental income and to provide the real information and the real data to Streetbees and their client as well, right? So that is how everything's work. So if you interested to make money with Streetbees, just head over to streetbees.com and become a member. Click join now, then you're going to install the apps, right? So depending on what type of phone that you use, if you use Android, you go to Google Play. If you use Apple, you can download from apps store, and then you are required to answer some set of questions, which is really easy. And then don't forget to put in your PayPal account as well, because they're going to send out the payment by PayPal, right? So I think that's it, guys. So if you want more video like this, don't forget to hit the bell notifications, so that way you will not gonna miss every time I upload my new video, right? So see you on my next video. Bye bye.